Okay, hello guys. So in the last video I have shown you that what are the basics of the Jupyter notebook and how you can use it same as with the Linux system. So obviously for that you need to have some basic knowledge of Linux and basic knowledge of using Python, like what are the code and everything, but this is very basic. However, I will explain it. And again, I'm reminding all of you that these videos are mostly specifically for those students who are going to use the Python for data analysis, climate data analysis, weather data analysis. It's mostly for the atmospheric and ocean sciences. Okay, so the thing is, here Python is mostly work based on the module. Now, what is module in Python? So if you go through, not necessarily we need to go anyway. So the thing is, module is basically combinations of functions. Let's say, for example, the system, the OS, the math, these are the thing. There are some modules that are inbuilt in the Python. For example, you can easily perform any addition, multiplications, right? You can give, even I think you can use the power option too. If you type here, so these some arithmetic operator you can directly use. But let's say if you want to perform some advanced mathematics like trigonometry, okay, in those cases you have to import the maths. Okay, normally if you import the math module, math as aim, so first thing, any module can be renamed like that. Let's say math, since math is a very small keyword, you may be not required to rename it, but there are different modules out there that are too big to name its original, so you need to rename while importing the module. That is very useful, and you can rename it as you want. So I can rename it as aim, I can rename it MA, whatever I want, what is convenient to you. So if after importing, actually you can see that what are the different functions are there in the particular module. So for that you need to use the dir option, and then you have to type math. Oh, sorry, math is not working because I have already renamed it as aim. So now you can see the list of, okay, so these are the particular some functions or attributes that can only be accessed by the module itself. You cannot access directly. If you see the other one, these are all functions. Okay, so a cos, this is hyperbolic functions, inverse functions, copy, sine, cos functions, degree to convert the degree, to convert the radian. You can have the exponential, factorial, you can have some integer, floor operations, is finite, these are the logical variable. Actually it have is nan, any nan value, infinite value. So these are the logical variable, actually logical functions. So log functions are there. In the whole math module there are two constant variable, one is the pi and another one is the e. So let's say if you want to print the constant value, how to write that? So first you have to write the module. From the module you want to see the pi value. So this is how you have to import the function from the module, call the function. So first you have to type the module and then type the pi. Similarly you can do it for exponential. So these are the two constant value that is within the math module. Second thing, let's see, you have the module, you have explored the function. Let's see if you are not able to understood that what function does it mean. So for that also, and you can explore that by just typing, let's say help, and I am typing aim.py. so it will show you some help. Okay, so this actually gives you the description. Sometime if it is, since it is constant, it doesn't have, so I can show you with the sign option. Yeah, it can return the sign of x, so it will easily measure in the radian. So you can have the detail of the functions, like what is the utility of the function, how to utilize the functions. These all you can explore by typing the help, but you need to, if you type only sign here, it will not give you anything, so you have to type m dot sign. So this is how you can explore any module that you want to work. That is called self-exploration. Remember, Python is very dynamic programming language, and it includes a vast amount of variety, versatile components in it. So it is not possible for anyone to give you each and everything in a video. So you need to learn by something yourself. Okay, so I will show you stepwise. So this is a part of is actually the self-learning process. So in the next video we will explore more about other modules.